What's up everybody? My name is Tamara, and if this is your first time checking me out, welcome to my channel. And if this is not your first time checking me out, welcome back. And please, regardless of whether it's your first time or not, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm doing a look, and it's actually like a recreation or inspiration look. When I love Masked Singer, so I was following Masked Singer this whole season, and although it ended a few weeks ago, I was very enamored by Nicole Scherzinger's final look, like her dress, her ponytail, how it had the glitter in it, so y'all can see I tried to do the same thing. And I really loved the look overall, especially her makeup. I just felt like it was very timeless, it was very elegant and sultry, and I was like, I need to recreate this look. So I'm finally doing it now. So if you want to look like this or something similar, and also a disclaimer, I am featuring a lot of Black owned makeup brands on this video, then go ahead and stay tuned and I got you. Okay everybody, let's get started. First I'm going to go ahead and take my Graftobian Inclusion palette, and I'm going to use the concealer to prep my eye to get ready for the eyeshadow look. Now I'm taking my Juvia's Place The Berries palette, and I'm taking the middle pink color, and I'm using my blending brush to blend it into the crease. Next, I'm taking the more deeper fuchsia, pink fuchsia color, and with my smaller blending brush, I'm going to blend this out into the outer V. Now I'm going back to my first color, and I'm taking a regular eyeshadow brush, and I'm putting this all over the lid. So mind you, right now we're kind of zooming through the eyeshadow part because I already done a tutorial on this, and I'll link this into the video. So now I'm going to the shimmer color here, and I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to press this on top of the lid, strictly where I have the lighter pinker color. Now I'm taking my blending brush, and I'm simply just blending everything out to bring the eye look together. I don't want any demarcation lines or harsh lines. Next, I'm taking my Beauty Rest palette by Colored Rain, and I'm only going to use that middle color, which is Dream. And with my small blending brush, I'm only going to apply this shadow into the inner corner of my eye and blend it into the rest of the eye look. Now to prepare for my hair, I went ahead and slicked my hair back. I used the Got To Be Glued hair gel, and this is really good for hair, especially thick natural hair. And I'm using my edge control brush. Next, I'm going to go ahead and continue on with my face, so I have to do some color correcting first. So I took my LA Pro Girl color corrector in the color orange. The next thing I'm doing is I'm taking my foundation brush, and I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the color NC47, and I'm applying this all over the face as so. I already went ahead and blended out the color correct. Next, I'm taking my Fenty concealer. This is in the shade 345, and I already did a complexion video, so I'll go ahead and tag that in the video in the description box as well. But I'm just putting this strictly underneath the eye. It is bright, but that's because I have a lot of deepness underneath my eyes. Next, I'm taking my Black Opal Deluxe Setting Powder, and it's a loose powder. However, I'm taking a powder brush, and I'm using it and going all throughout my face to set all the liquid products that I put on my face, which is the Color Correct, the concealer, as well as the foundation. Next, I'm taking my Black Radiance Contour Palette, and I'm using the middle color. I'm going to see if I could put that in the description box below. And I'm taking my sculpting brush, and I'm using this for my contour. Also with the same palette as well as the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and chisel out or contour out my jawline, and I'm also going to do my hairline as well. Next, I'm taking my Kabuki brush, and I'm literally using this to buff out the contour powder on top of my cheekbones as well as my jawline and hairline. Now I'm taking my Beauty Blender sponge. Y'all, I got this from TJ Maxx, so it's real cheap. And I'm using this to blend out my concealer underneath my eyes. And for the Masked Singer finale look on Nicole Scherzinger, she actually has a really chiseled look, especially with her cheekbones. So I'm just going ahead and applying some more contour powder on top of my cheekbones. And just to soften it up so I'm not looking too rough, I'm going to go ahead and go over it with my sponge. The sponge is so important because it really helps soften out powders and soften out products overall. Next, I'm contouring my nose with the same palette, and this time I'm going to be using a more dense concealer brush to help really achieve that look. Now I'm taking my Saharan Volume 2 palette by Juvia's Place. This is a blush palette, and I made a mistake. I'm using these two colors here, and with my powder brush, I'm just literally applying the blush on top of my cheekbones. Now, when it comes to her look, she has a lot of blush on, but it looks really pretty, so I'm just putting it on heavy. Next, I'm taking my Anglola highlighting powder. It's by the Creme case. And with my highlighting brush, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on top of my cheekbones. As you can see, I applied a little bit too much, but it's okay. We just take a makeup wipe remover or a baby wipe and remove a little bit of it off. And then I'm also putting this on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, as well as my Cupid's bow. Now, of course, as always, I will go over everything with the sponge just to really help soften up that look. Now, to finish off the eye look, I'm going back to my Berries palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking my two pink colors, and with a detail brush, I'm just simply blending that out onto my lower lash line. And for my waterline, I'm using just a simple black eyeliner. Now, moving on to the lips, I'm going back to Colored Rain. I'm using the Maksed Rain lipstick, and I'm applying this over my lips first. And it doesn't matter if you have two-tone lips like mine, it will still cover it. Next, I'm taking my liner. To be honest with y'all, I kind of forgot what liner I use. I want to say it's the Half Red by MAC, but I forgot. But I'm using a liner. You can use any liner of your choice that will pair with it. And then I'm also using my Marc Jacobs lip gloss to apply it on top. Now, going back to my hair, now she has a very sleek ponytail extension installed in her hair, so I'm trying to do the same. And I have natural hair, so this was a little bit more challenging than I thought, but it still came out pretty good. Now, when it came to that glitter though, that's a different story, honey, so I gotta tell y'all about that another time. But this is the final look. I had so much fun doing this look, and catch my final thoughts in the next frame. Okay, everybody, this is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed. I enjoyed making the look. I ain't gonna lie, I was going through with this hair though, but I think it's just the quality of hair. It's mixed hair, so it's not, you know, top quality, but unfortunately, since you know, the shops are just opening up slowly but surely, I don't have a large selection, especially not for red weave or red ponytail. So, but either way it goes, I still had a ton of fun, and I hope that you did too, and I hope that I made it easy enough for you guys to follow along with. But if I didn't, as always, please feel free to drop a comment in the section below, and I'll be sure to answer your questions. Don't worry, I'm going to put everything that I used in today's tutorial, including for the hair, in the description box below. I'm going to create a separate tutorial on how to do the ponytail, more so how to get the glitter in there, because it was kind of a learning curve for me from what I read online versus actually doing it. So I want to share those tips and tricks with you guys. And while you're at it, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this video, because y'all don't know how hard I worked for this video. I put in work for this video, okay? And then while you're going ahead and subscribing, go ahead and follow me on social media. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at the username Loverofshades. My blog will be back up by the end of the month, so I'm excited for that, and I'll keep you guys posted about that. And until next time, stay safe, God bless, take care, and I'll see you later.